Hello and welcome. This video is provided by JMK Property Investment. The goal of the video is to show you how you can pay your HOA dues online. To start, you go on our website www.jmkpropertyinvestment.com. There you'll find a menu, and on the menu you'll see a login option. You click on login and then make sure you select homeowner association. Once you click there, actually the window you'll see is this one, where you can enter your email address and your password. When you join the association, or when we took over your homeowner association as a property management company, we sent an invitation to everyone. If you enter your email address and your password, you should be able to access your portal. If you don't have that information, what you can do is either click on forgot password if you had already accessed your account, or you click here on request access to the portal. If you choose this option, normally your email is already in our system. You write your information and we'll give you access. Alright, so I've entered the login information. I click on login and let's see if this works. Yes, it works. So you can see here that there is a current balance of 550. You can see that also on the portal you have a lot of options. You have the payment options, which are here and in this window, but you can also submit your maintenance, you can access condo docs for the building, or receive insurance documentation. Let's click on pay now to make a one-time payment. So here the system gives you two options. Either you use an e-check or you use the credit card, debit card. We don't recommend using the credit card or debit card because with that option there is a fee. Also, the fee is not charged by JMK, it's a fee that's charged by the bank that is processing your payment. Whereas the e-check is a free option that is offered. Let's click on e-check. That's the option we recommend. You can see that there is the balance that's due here. You can also choose to pay more or less if you'd like, and here you enter the date for the payment and you press continue. Here you can decide to make the payment from your personal account or from the business account. If you do it from your personal, you enter your first name and last name, or you can choose business here, in which case you'd enter the name of your business. Here you are asked to provide the routing number and the account number. This is the same information that shows up on every check you write, and actually if you click here you can see an illustration that shows you where the routing number is and where the account number is. If you click continue, you'll be able to submit your payments. After one last verification, the confirmation is the last step. Let's look at the other option. The other option is to set up autopay. We recommend to set up autopay instead of using the one-time payment, because if you do one-time payment, you're gonna have to do it every month. So you need to go into the system, enter your amount and make the payment. So as you can see here, we can also choose the autopay option. If you choose autopay, you don't have to go into the system every month to make your HOA dues payments. Let's click on autopay. So you have again the same options. We don't recommend credit or debit because it has a fee. E-check is free, so let's click on e-check. Here you just enter a name for the payment so that you remember what it is. So you can do HOA dues payment. You can even write the name of the association or your unit. You have two options. Either you pick fixed amount or you pick outstanding balance in full. If you want more control, you choose fixed amount and you enter here exactly the amounts of your monthly HOAs. Click on outstanding balance in full, then you'll be paying whatever is due at the beginning of the month. And here you choose the date. So you can, if you pick the 6th, what will happen is all the payments in the future will be made on the 6th. So actually it would be to do one-time payment for whatever balance is due when you're making your first payment, if it's not on the 1st of the month, and then you schedule the automatic payments for the subsequent months. So let's say we're in the 6th of January today. You make a one-time payment for the balance due on the 6th, and then you use the automatic payment for February 1st, March 1st, etc. So let's do that. I will select February 1st. So you'll see the payments of a fixed amount corresponding to your HOA dues will be made on February 1st and March 1st. And then it's the same options we've discussed before. You choose whether it's a personal or business account. And then you specify your first name, last name, and the bank information, which is the routing number and account number. And then you create the autopay. It's fairly straightforward, and you can cancel the autopay at any time. So to summarize, to get into the portal, you want to go on the website. You go on the login menu item and you select homeowner HOA. Then you get to the portal, our portal, where you enter your email and password, and that will take you to this window here. From here, you can see what is the amount that's due, and you have two options: to make a one-time payment or set up autopay. What we recommend is you make, the first time you use the platform, make a one-time payment for the balance that's due, and then set up an automatic payment for the subsequent months. And you do that by entering your routing and account number, and that's the payments method that we recommend, the e-check. You can also pay with credit card and debit card, but that will come with a fee that is charged by the bank. We hope you find this useful, and we'll be providing more information on the different features that we offer throughout our software. Please stay in touch, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment. Talk soon.